something beautiful and nobody noticed, don't be sad. For the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. US President Donald Trump and his wife Melania Trump have tested positive for COVID-19. We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together, Trump tweeted. Trump and Melania got tested after the US President's close aide Hope Hicks tested positive for coronavirus. Tesla's billionaire CEO Elon Musk on Friday indicated that US electric car maker will make its foray into India in 2021. Next year for sure, Musk said in reply to a post with a photograph of T-shirt with the message, India wants Tesla. Responding to another Indian user who said he has been waiting for ages, Musk said thanks for waiting. I was meant to be beautifully flawed. Ileana shares post on body positivity. Taking to Instagram on Thursday, Ileana DeGruz penned a note on body positivity. She shared a black and white picture of herself and wrote, I have always worried about how I looked. I worried about my hips are too wide. I am not tall enough, pretty enough, not perfect enough. Not realizing I was never meant to be perfect. I was meant to be beautifully flawed, she added. COVID-19 deaths in India near 1 lakh mark. Recoveries crossed 53 lakhs. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 63 lakhs 94,068 as 81,484 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 99,773, while 53 lakhs 52,078 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 9 lakhs 42,217 are active. France Spider-Man faces fine after climbing 545 feet skyscraper. French urban climber Alain Robert faces a criminal investigation and fine after scaling one of the Frankfurt's tallest building on Thursday. Robert, known as French Spider-Man for his stunts, climbed rail company Deutsche Bahn's 166-meter-high office building. Deutsche Bahn filed a criminal complaint about trespassing and unauthorized use of a drone to film a climb against Robert. Government open to launching India's own alternative app store. India government is open to launching its own mobiles app store as an alternative to Apple and Google platform if it receives enough demand for domestic firms, Reuters reported. An official told Reuters the government hasn't received any formal request yet. Before we open one, we need to know there will be takers for it, the officials was quoted saying. Hathras victims' family wants me to be their legal counsel. The 2012 Delhi rape case victims Laya Seema on Thursday said that family of Hathras victim asked her to visit as they wanted her to stand as their legal counsel. I am not being allowed to meet them as administration says it will affect law and order situation, said Seema. She further said she was in touch with the victim's brother. Wishing you a very quick recovery, PM Modi to Trump after he tested COVID-19 positive. After US President Donald Trump and his wife Melania Trump tested positive for COVID-19, PM Narendra Modi tweeted, wishing my friend and his wife a quick recovery and good health. Meanwhile, Melania tweeted, we are feeling good and I have postponed all upcoming engagements. Please be sure you are staying safe and we'll all get through this together. Army to get secure communication system at the cost of 7,800 crore. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved the creation of a secure communication system for the Army at the cost of 7,800 crore. The Defense Ministry stated that the move will enhance network coverage in the forward areas and provide a major boost to the operational preparedness of the Army, especially keeping in the view of current operational situations at the LAC. 19,816 Amazon workers in US tested positive for COVID-19 in last 6 months. Amazon on Thursday revealed that 19,816 of its 13,72,000 US frontline workers contracted the coronavirus since March. The figure includes seasonal staffs and those who have been infected outside work. It said the online retailer said that if its employees contracted COVID-19 at a rate of equal to that of the general population, Amazon would have seen 33,952 cases. Picture of professional dancer Kylie She's foot strength. She is an American ballet dancer. Meet James Harrison from Australia. He has donated blood 1,172 times and saved more than 2.4 million lives. He also known as Man with the Golden Arms. Takes approximately 75,000 flowers which need to be plucked by hand to make 1 pound of saffron. This is why the spice is so expensive. Buddha's hair is not hair but 108 snails that gave up their lives to cover his head so that he doesn't suffer a heat stroke while meditating under the scorching sun. The name Vodafone comes from the words voice, data, and phone, although the PH in the phone was swapped for an F on the advice of advertising experts Shachi and Sochi. Thank you for watching. I hope this is very useful.